Okay, for real this time. We are 11 minutes to late to the bell here. I was actually thinking about taking this long right here for like two cons. One at data high and then one at Asia high, which would have absolutely been a crazy play by me. But yeah, I didn't end up actually taking that. But yeah, we will see here. Let's look on the higher time frame, see what's happening. We hit a first presenter 15. Go ahead and delete data low or data high. We got stacked up relatives at the lows here. We're about to get a huge SMT with ES. If we can take out this Asia high. 1 hour first presented. We did flip this 1 hour, but we have a bunch of stacked lows to the downside here. We're gonna have to break out of this range. Oh, we do have an SMT at New York AM low here. We didn't quite hit this for our gap though. This is exactly what I would want to see. Um, ES is about to hit a 5 minute. If we can take out this LR, that would be nice too. Not a crazy reaction out of this 5 minute. Holy speed. So we had a 5 and a 15 right here. Looks like. Oh, I did want to get in on NQ here. If we can flip both of these at the same time, that would be nice. Looks like we didn't flip that 30-second, but we will flip. We could possibly flip this 1 minute. Now we are super into premium. I do want to take this on M and Q. We didn't even flip it anyways. That one is 2 minute. Just hit equilibrium only. like that's a 162 of this whole leg right here. This 1 minute leg. Looks like it looks like 0.62 this 5 minute. Yeah, you can see it right there. That reaction could take that 30-second. We just hit that 5 minute. It's hard to get behind this. What does a smaller time frame look like here? We could just leave Asia, create this freaking reversal here, which I do think it is gonna reverse to the downside here. Oh, that's at 5 minute 0.62. Maybe we get some type of retracement off of that. So NYAM low is that 15 minute fair value gap though. We could have shorted into that 15 minute. I think this 0.62 right here, it's pretty close to this 15 minute CISD slash order block. Dude, I just was trying to fart, but it felt too weird. Weird? What the fuck does that even mean? Bro, like, it felt like I was finna shit my pants, boy. That's what it felt like, bruh. So I do believe that ES does not want to flip this 5 minute, but it does want to touch this one down here so that, and then NQ will also touch this 15 minute. Now, I don't believe that I marked out this 0.62 correctly. I don't believe that all these 2 15-minute candles down there, I don't think they really matter. Now, if I marked it on this 5 minute leg here, I think it would actually have some type of reaction off of it. Which is this level. Yeah, so that 5 minute did end up getting hit right there. Now ES could, we don't want to see this 0.62 get hit at least, but ES could definitely just IFEG these 5 minutes. But this is an order block right here. So that's that 0.62 level that just got hit. Now they're gonna make it that easy for us here. We're putting up stacked up highs on what's it called? ES here. So this is London as well. Okay, this is a pretty good reaction out of this. 0.62 right here. Okay. 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 I freaking messed up. So we have this 30-second breaker. I didn't know I had two cons. I did not want to take two cons. It's a 3-minute. Okay, this is a crazy reaction though. Is there a 5-minute gap? We're gonna take a stab at a long right here. Did not expect it to come back down. Which is not, it's not even a good reaction that it came down like that. But I think this is a key zone. And we'll just go break even right here. Holy freaking, what is going on? Damn, we might get IFQ'd here. I do like lower, but do also have equal highs. I think we're gonna get stopped, but look at this. This equal high with Asia high. Boom. And then we got stacked highs right above, and then New York PM high right above, right under Asia high. But I think we will get stopped here. Because we could just leave those for another day. But I do think this is a pretty good trade. We don't even get break even. Like a break even. I could have went a tighter break even. But I mean, we were up like 18 points or so or some shit. Is there a 5-minute candle? So that 0.62 of that 5-minute got hit twice. Kind of a nice reaction out of that 0.62. I think, yeah, it just got created right here, so it hit that 0.62 and swept that low. We got 2 more minutes, so this 15-minute fair value gap. See some speed here. So this, I do not want this 15-minute to doji. That's what I really want. I do not want a 15-minute doji. I just want to show it extreme signs of bullish momentum. The extreme bullish candle. Honestly, break even here would not be a bad play. We're super like choppy. But I do think the move is bullish. The move should be bullish here. There's our break even anyways. Okay, so we got that. Oh, no, we didn't. We got 1 more minute. I thought I was about to say we got that super strong 50-minute candle close. Now this is a 50-minute gap from hell. We do have these stacked highs on ES as well. Very, very stacked LR right here. Can you guys believe that? Can you guys believe we almost got break even? I was supposed to actually stop listening to music while I'm freaking trading because I feel like I can't think straight, but it's not too bad. It's not too bad today, right? We hit the. Oh! What is going on? I think that 15-minute candle. I don't think it should come down and rebalance this leg, this 15-minute leg. Although actually, no, this should be a breakaway gap. I think it should leave this 5-minute gap. Yeah, I think it should leave this gap, and then like maybe the third or the fourth. I should have had a fuck. I should have had a soft CTP, bro. But as I was saying, I think this is a breakaway gap, so it might not actually come down and balance. Oh no, those stacked equal highs that I wanted, bro. Shit, these stacked highs, right? These equal highs. I do want it to leave this high and come back down, but it doesn't look like it's gonna happen. Like maybe this SMT would have held, but or maybe this SMT does hold. But we are pretty much done for the day here. I don't know if I can show my P&L, but you guys saw the number. It's my first and only trade of the day. We almost got stopped out by like literally a point. But you know, our trade idea was correct and our trade was right. Hopefully we got slippage, so maybe like 2 bans today, I believe. But yeah, that's pretty much trade of the day. You guys saw me take it live with this 0.62 level, with this 15-minute gap, 5-minute gaps. We hit this 5-minute first presented on ES and this 5-minute order block that I called out. We delivered with strength and risking this leg here. It was probably would have been good if I entered at this IFEG and that 0.62 level. I could have had this 5 point stop, just kept the same, but I had my R would have been so much better. What was my R before? So 1 to 5. Pretty good trade. 80 points. So I think we actually had slippage, so we made around 1,800 instead of 1,600. But yeah, solid trade today, boys. Solid trade. I will actually end this video.